guys, today I gonna introduce a wonderful tool for you. Soundraw. Soundraw is an AI-powered music creation platform that allows you to effortlessly produce unique and royalty-free music. It's perfect for creators, musicians, and businesses looking for high-quality soundtracks. With various melody generators and customization options, Soundraw makes it easy to craft the perfect music for your project. How to use Soundraw to create your own unique and personalized music. Let's dive in. Step 1. Visit the official Soundraw website. Open your web browser and head to soundraw.com. Once you're on the Soundraw official website, look for the Try It for Free option. Click on it to enter the music creation interface. Here, you can set the tone for your music. Select your desired genre, mood, and theme to tailor the music to your project. After choosing your music characteristics, you'll be directed to the operation panel. This is where the real magic happens. Use the tab bar at the top of the operation panel to filter the generated music based on criteria such as genre, mood, theme, length, tempo, and instruments. Listen to the music previews and choose the one that perfectly fits your project or personal preferences. Fine-tune your chosen music by adjusting various elements. We can adjust the intensity or presence of each section of the music. Click on Pro Mode option in the upper right corner. Modify elements like melody, backing, bass, drums, fills, length, BPM, instruments, key, volume, and more. Use the advanced customization options to truly make the music your own. Adjust various parameters to achieve the exact sound and feel you desire. Before finalizing, take a moment to preview your customized music to ensure it meets your expectations. Once satisfied, save or download the music to use in your exciting project. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of music creation with Soundraw. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to stay tuned for more exciting content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below.